Welcome to an electrifying adventure into the world of gold, a metal that's been captivating hearts and driving economies for millennia. From the sunlit open-pit mines of Nevada to the cutting-edge recycling facilities turning your old gadgets into gleaming treasure, we're about to embark on a thrilling ride through the entire gold production process. Gold isn't just jewelry or coins, it's a financial fortress, a tech superstar, and a symbol of enduring value. Whether you're an investor in Chicago, a collector in Miami, or just curious about how this shiny stuff shapes our world, this video is for you. So, grab a seat, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the golden saga that's as American as apple pie. Let's kick things off with the hunt for gold, which starts long before a single nugget is unearthed. Geologists armed with drones, satellite imagery, and geophysical surveys scour the earth for gold deposits. In the US, places like Nevada's Goldstrike or Alaska's Fort Knox mine are hotspots. These experts drill core samples, sometimes thousands of feet deep, to map out gold veins. Once a deposit is confirmed, the planning phase kicks in. Engineers design mine layouts, choose extraction methods, and ensure compliance with strict environmental laws. The US is a global leader here, producing over 170 metric tons of gold annually, rivaling giants like China and Australia. It's a high-tech treasure hunt, blending science and ambition to uncover nature's hidden riches. Now, picture a bustling mine site. There are three main ways to extract gold, each suited to the deposit's type. Open-pit mining, common in Nevada, involves massive excavators carving out terraced craters to reach shallow ore. These pits can span miles and look like something from a sci-fi flick. Underground mining, used for deeper deposits, relies on intricate tunnel networks and robotic equipment to extract ore safely. Then there's placer mining, a nod to the gold rush days, where water sifts gold from riverbeds in places like Alaska. Each method is a marvel of engineering, with autonomous trucks and AI-driven drills boosting efficiency while keeping workers safe. The U.S. mining industry employs over 12,000 people directly, supporting communities from rural towns to bustling cities. Once the ore is hauled out, it's off to the processing plant for some serious alchemy. The ore is crushed into a fine powder using giant mills, then mixed with water to create a slurry. From here, techniques like cyanidation come into play, where a diluted cyanide solution dissolves gold into a liquid form. Don't worry, modern facilities use closed-loop systems to neutralize chemicals, protecting rivers and wildlife. Other methods, like froth flotation, use air bubbles to separate gold from waste rock, while gravity separation relies on gold's heft to isolate it. The result is a gold-rich concentrate, but it's still rough around the edges. This concentrate heads to smelters, where it's melted at over 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit with fluxes like borax and silica to skim off impurities. The molten gold is poured into molds, cooled in minutes, and stamped into bars, often hitting 95% purity at this stage. Refining takes gold to the next level. At refineries, processes like the Miller method, using chlorine gas to remove base metals, or the Wohlwill process, an electrolytic bath for 99.99% purity, transform raw gold into the stuff of dreams. These bars, gleaming under factory lights, are tested using X-ray fluorescence to confirm their purity. Some refineries, like those in Salt Lake City, handle both mined and recycled gold, ensuring every ounce meets global standards. Fun fact, the US produces enough refined gold to fill over 50 Olympic swimming pools each year. This gold becomes bullion, coins, or even wire for electronics, powering everything from iPhones to satellites. Speaking of recycling, let's shine a spotlight on this unsung hero of the gold industry. About 30% of the world's gold supply comes from recycled sources. Think old jewelry, discarded circuit boards, or dental crowns. In the US, recycling plants in states like New Jersey and California process millions of pounds of e-waste annually. The process starts with collection, where scrap is sorted by gold content. Electronics are dismantled by hand or machine to isolate gold-rich components like connectors. Jewelry is cleaned to remove gems or alloys. Next, shredding breaks materials into tiny pieces, making it easier to extract gold. Chemical leaching, using aqua regia, a mix of nitric and hydrochloric acids, dissolves gold, while electrolysis deposits it onto cathodes. After refining, recycled gold is indistinguishable from mined gold, ready for new uses. Recycling not only conserves resources, but also reduces mining's environmental footprint, making it a win for sustainability. Let's get up close with the refining process. It's like a fiery ballet. Furnaces roar at 1200 degrees Fahrenheit, melting gold into a glowing liquid. Workers add fluxes, borax to bind impurities, soda ash to stabilize heat, and niter to oxidize base metals. The slag, a black obsidian-like waste, floats to the top and is skimmed off. Pouring is a delicate dance. Too fast, and the mold overflows. Too slow, and the gold hardens midstream. Molds are cooled in water baths, and within 30 seconds, the bar is solid. Workers polish off sharp edges, stamp a serial number, and send samples for assaying to verify purity. Some U.S. refineries, like those certified by the London Bullion Market Association, produce bars traded worldwide from Wall Street to Dubai. Gold coins, like the iconic American Gold Buffalo, are a work of art. The U.S. Mint starts with 24-karat gold blanks, which are struck under immense pressure to imprint designs. Coins are inspected for flaws, then treated with finishes like proof, mirror-like, or uncirculated, satin smooth. Some get frosted designs for extra flair. Packaged in tamper-proof capsules, these coins are coveted by collectors and investors. The Mint produces over 1 million gold coins annually, each a tiny piece of American pride. Beyond coins, gold's industrial uses are mind-blowing. It's in spacecraft shielding, thanks to its heat resistance, and in medical implants, due to its biocompatibility. Gold nanoparticles even target cancer cells in cutting-edge therapies. Why does gold matter to you? It's more than a shiny trinket. It's a financial powerhouse. Gold's a store of value, holding strong through wars, recessions, and market crashes. In 2024, gold prices hit record highs, driven by inflation fears and global tensions. Curious about gold's future? Innovations like green mining and nanotechnology are pushing boundaries, ensuring gold stays golden for generations. That's the Golden Scoop, America. If this journey sparked your curiosity, smash that like button and share with your crew. Got questions about silver, platinum, or maybe crypto's role in all this? Drop a comment and we'll